Well, this doesn't happen very often here in Florence, South Carolina, but we got snow. Snow's coming down. Now I know up where Dad lives, it's in the negatives for multiple days in a row. Sorry, Dad. But look, it's even starting to accumulate. It's kind of weird. We're not supposed to get a lot of this. I imagine that it's just going to be just enough for us to go, look, snow, and then it's going to go away. But it's supposed to do this for several hours today and then get cold tonight, so we might have some ice on the roads. Pretty neat. It's apparently iced already. I'm looking at my steps down here. Those are stone and they are iced, so it's definitely cold enough to stick. Very cool. Well, cold, I should say. Good thing I got chili on the stove. Oh, I had the day off today, and I made some chili. Right now it's I got it turned off, but ooh, all I did was mix light kidney beans, dark kidney beans, chili sauce, or like a chili packet from McCormick's or some brand, I forget which brand. Some tomato juice, a pound of hamburger meat that's browned, and a thing of tomato paste, not the real tiny one, but the next size up, which I think is like 14 ounce. Anyway, I mixed all that together, cooked it. Now I've got it turned down so that this thing can kind of sit in its own juices. That helps the beans really soak up that flavoring. I'll turn it back on again, probably in about an hour, and then let it cook on low. It's just so unusual here where we live to look outside the window and see snow coming down. I'm fascinated. Now a lot of folks think that when I say that I go visit my dad in Maine, they think that, oh, how long you been living down here? No. Dad's from Georgia. He just happened to be a truck driver who fell in love with snow and a woman and put down roots in Maine. But the novelty of it is very pretty, I will say that. This morning I got up first thing and went over to my neighbor Paul's house. Paul had a water leak, and he had a pipe burst on his hot water heater. He's got a tankless hot water heater, and there was an exposed pipe that had water just shooting out of it, and of course it was making ice everywhere, and I had to go over there and figure out how to turn it off to get it to stop coming out. It's really coming down out there. I mean, really coming down. It's that blowing kind of snow. It looks light. It doesn't look like big fat snowflakes. Like we've had snow here before where it's been like really big fat snowflakes. These look like tiny, almost ice mixture snowflakes that are sticking as soon as they hit the ground. Oh well, it's pretty to look at for now. That's the kind of one I wanted to get it on camera because I know tomorrow it'll all be gone. But anyway, hope everybody's doing good. Hey, I appreciate everybody leaving comments and stuff about the videos and stuff I did when I went to visit Bicknell and Kate down in Georgia. I actually had some gift cards for Lowe's, and I went out today on my day off, and I got some copper piping and a proper crimping tool and some heat shrink. I still got to go out and get a heat gun, which, you know, he was telling me that you can get a $10 one from Harbor Freight and those work out great. So I still got to go do that. But I went ahead and got that stuff because I am gonna use that here. But anywho, thanks for the comments, everybody. Appreciate everybody watching. The drone videos were cool. I still need to learn how to make music on GarageBand so that I can use my own music. But I'm learning. The music that's on there I actually learned to make this summer, and I went to do some the other night and I had forgotten how. So I have to relearn how to do it. But hey, that's supposed to be the way you fight off memory loss and Alzheimer's and dementia and stuff like that. You're supposed to constantly be learning how to do stuff. So maybe it's good for me. Snow. Take care. Thanks for watching. Look at all this snow. Look at my truck. It's still coming down. We don't get stuff like this normally. It's pretty impressive. I hear kids playing. Get her to drive up here. It's snowing and it's a little icy, but she's got front wheel drive, so she should be able to drive right up here.